Okay, well, we have lived in our home for 20 years and decided that it was time to redo 3 bathrooms. And we went to Northern Virginia Kitchen and Bath, where we sat down with Patrick, and we told him basically what we wanted to do, but that we were having a difficult time trying to put together like what we wanted. We had an idea, but we couldn't really execute exactly what it was we wanted to have the bathrooms look like, and we needed some help. So he sat down with us, he showed us a bunch of different styles. From those styles, we were able to pick out basically what we wanted each of the 3 bathrooms to look like. And the great thing about working with Northern Virginia Kitchen and Bath was that where they would pick out a style for you, if there was an element that you didn't like, for example, the countertop, I was like, you know, I like the color palettes that you've picked out, but I'm not crazy about the counter or the floor. Can we try something else? The nice thing was that when they would offer you different selections, they would make sure that the selections that you were being offered were in keeping with, you know, the integrity of the style you had started with. And that was a great comfort to me, because I was afraid that if I just solely picked out all the things that I liked, it just might not have the finished effect that we were looking for. So with that help, we got a contract going. Well, I guess that was after Patrick had sent us 3 designs. And you got to see them at home on your computer. You got to have like a finished effect of what your rooms basically would look like. So we were excited to get started. And from the time that we signed our contract, the work commenced in a really quick amount of time, very reasonable. And the day that the work was to start, the workers were here early. The foreman gave me an overview of what we were how they would accomplish that. And so with that, they had run of the house for, I guess it was about a month. And they worked long and hard every day and made sure that as they were leaving each night that they vacuumed their way out. And so it just helped minimize the dust and the construction. I thought they did a really good job with that. We were very pleased with that. And what can I tell you? At the end, we have 3 amazing bathrooms. Not just new bathrooms, amazing bathrooms. I mean, these bathrooms turned out better than we had hoped when we were designing. I mean, we're just so excited with it. I hope you get a chance to see my amazing shower and bath. It had been like a, what do you call it, like a drop-in tub. Everybody has them in their master bath with the small tiles around it. Now we have a freestanding tub. The shower was almost like, the one that we started with was almost like a telephone booth. It was so small, and everybody in our subdivision has said that the showers are so small, you know, you almost have to get something bigger. We increased the size of our shower, just doubled if not more, and the tile work, it's just really beautiful. I mean, we've got a clean look. It's so modern and fresh, and it's flawless. I mean, you have to come see my bathroom. Come take a look at this. I mean, the countertop here, it is just perfectly installed. It has just a little bit of glitter notes here, which don't overwhelm. They just really bring it up to another level. The hardware, it all goes with the shower, with the cabinets. It's in line with just everything matches, because they pay attention to these kind of details. And each bathroom is unique. It's not the same thing all over. Everyone is slightly different, but they all work with the house. The whole bathroom, which is mainly for our boys, has a nice bold and masculine look. The master is very, I call it elegant. And then I wish you could see the powder room bath because it is so contemporary and urban. It's just amazing. So yes, we're very pleased. I would say you will be happy if you go with Northern Virginia Kitchen and Bath. They're very professional, they're very kind. I loved working with Patrick, he's amazing. And yeah, you're gonna love your bathrooms.